Class is now open, and I'm going to talk now about installing a bifold door and how to go about figuring out where these go and how this all works. I'm not going to actually put them in right now. I'm just going to show you the basics so that you understand what's going on here. Initially I took these down. I took them out into the garage, I painted them, I painted everything in the condo. And when I did that, I left some of the hardware of the existing doors here. And like I say, I'm going to put the existing doors up, but I was having issues with the top little wheels and different things that were broken and stuff. And so I wanted to explain what's going on here. Okay, now these are the old door feet. Okay, when I painted everything, I made sure I didn't recalk the holes, because that's going to go back in. See, it's going to go like that, and I'm going to screw it back in. Well, I'm not going to use the old brackets. I'm gonna end up using the new ones. And I'm going to show you, I wanted to show you the difference of why I'm going to do that, okay? Here, let's just talk about this one here. You see this bottom thing, there's a bolt on there, and there's a nut on the back side, and there's a plastic goodie here, and I see there's a plastic one on the old one, on this one too, for the other side, because it's a double door set, okay? Fits over there. Well, these things broke, and in the old days there used to be